supposed to start.
Marley.
So we get the picture.
Anytime between 2 and 3 would be a good time.
Marley. Marley squirrel.
I'll get you. Look at him. Look at Brian looking at him. I'll get you. She is staring him down.
There you go. You give me
Sit
a
down
hug?
there with him, Marley. Sit
You
down
sit
there with
down
Michael
with
and
him?
Braylon. Now I'll take a picture of all of you.
You can go sit next to him?
Yeah. Here, sit right there, Marley.
Yeah. I guess it's because it's fake.
Yeah. Michael. Braylon. Michael. Braylon. Look.
Braylon can't take her eyes off him.
You have a crush?
Hey, where's Marley?
Marley, go sit down
Hey,
there
ready
with
to see
him.
Marley?
Where's Marley?
Hey,
Where's Marley?
Guys?
I thought she was in the picture, but she's not
You
here.
seen her?
Is Marley here yet?
She's not in my picture. What you think about
Bless
her,
you.
Michael?
What you think?
What you think about that little girl?
I get that phone something from you.
I know. I didn't teach him. He got it from me though. Put it in
Brian doesn't suck her thumb.
No. What's she talking about?
Does she have a passion still?
Raven.
This is in it, like.
Raven,
Oh,
patty
yeah.
cake, baker's man. Baked me cookies, practice
I mean, she
again.
go to sleep without one, but it just helps her because, like, she felt, you know, whenever I was breastfeeding, she felt so soft.
Yeah.
So, like, the conflict stuff or something.
Mm-hmm.
And it helps her.
I still have not gotten a hug.